Hi guys, it's channel Kwas here. Today I'll be doing a tech review. This is originally meant to be a tech channel, and based on the past 5 videos that I have posted, only 2 of them had given a sign of a tech channel. So from here forward I'll be actually doing a bit more of reviews, recommendations, etc. like this. So hope you guys enjoy. So let's get into it. This is a Boya BY-M1 Lavalier mic. If you guys don't know what a lavalier mic is, a lavalier mic is practically a small, compact and wearable mic. It's usually used in YouTube videos as well as interviews. So I'll be using the mic soon from this video forward. I'm currently using the Boya BY-M1 shotgun mic. Yeah, it's not a completely bad mic. It's actually good for ASMRs and other stuff. But the main problem that I face is that it limits me to what I can do. Suppose if I camera a bit more further away, it's completely hard for the mic to detect my voice. I'm completely out of the mic's range. It can't detect my voice. It can, but it detects the background noise way better than what I'm saying. So that's not good at all for a YouTube video. So the lavalier mic, since it's actually attachable, I'll just you can actually attach it to a collar or whatever, and then it actually detects your voice much better and the background noise. Before you guys just comment down in the comment section below why didn't I get a Bluetooth version. Well, I have gotten a few Bluetooth versions, but turns out by the time you get a Bluetooth version of the lavalier mic from Amazon, either you had to make it work or either you had to somehow make it work. It doesn't work. I have bought 2 of them and both of them doesn't work properly, and I just ended up shipping them back. So I ended up with a wired solution. It's a bit messy, but it's better not to take a risk. And that too, it's a bit it's around 5 meters long, so you can actually keep the camera wherever you want. Just connect it and then just talk and then hear what you're saying. You guys can completely hear what I'm saying. There are no much of a limitation. So that's the reason why lavalier mics are a bit more better than shotgun mics. I just connected the lavalier mic to my phone right now. I have already tried this out. I'm just doing a second trial run for you guys so you guys can hear how properly it works. Right now I feel like there will be some disturbances because I am somewhat touching it. Yeah, so I'll just connect it, attach it to my shirt. Yeah, I hope you guys are able to hear me a bit more better. For more of into the lavalier mic, I would like to point out that there is 2 things over here. There's a toggle over here which allows you to switch between smartphone as well as camera. If you keep it into camera, you have to make sure that you place a battery, because it comes with a button battery in which you have to place it inside after you unscrew this part. And then if you guys are using it for your phone, just keep it the way it is, because as default smartphone is off, so just directly plug it in and start speaking. It just detects your voice. Quick note, if you guys are actually using an Oppo or a Vivo phone, you guys should actually use an open camera app, which I'll be just leaving a link down in the description down here. So yeah, the reason why is that Oppo and Vivo phones can't actually, like, you can, but you had to turn on a inner setting which actually allows the exterior audio to be active. If you guys can't find that, because it differs from each version to version of the Oppo's phone. I tried this out in my mom's phone, which is an Oppo Reno, and it didn't work out as well, and we almost thought this mic also malfunctioned as the Bluetooth mics which I bought. So what I'm trying to say is that if you guys want to use it, install the open camera app and then allow the audio settings in the camera app. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.